I have a little issue. Survey point, project base point, are a little bit of a difficult for me to use with the site. So I've kind of done a workaround, which is kind of silly that I can't figure it out, but I can share this, and this is my solution, is that I draw the site in another project or file, and then I link that site. So, and then I can rotate that site. Now, the problem is, of course, if it's not linked like this, if I just draw the site on top of here, and then I rotate it to the proper orientation, what changes are my angles. My links don't change, but my bearings do. So my workaround for that is simply to start another Revit program. Find that if I want to go back and forth between a linked file, that I can't have this file open, or if I want to go to this project file, I can't have this one open if I'm opening them both in the same Revit program. So I just start a second Revit program, and then I can go to this file and make any changes that I want to, and then refresh it, so to speak, and then it works. So I don't have to close this one to work on this one, and then close this one to work on that one. But what I want to do is, I think manage is what I have here, and then I want to manage my links. So what I do is I simply click add, and then I add my file that I want and say okay, and then it shows up. And then I can rotate this. Now see, this is easily rotated, and the bearings don't change because it's a linked file. And that works best for me, and then I can rotate it around right on top of the house. So that's my solution to get the site and the architectural plan oriented together. Because when I rotate this plan for true north, if I've drawn the site plan in the same model, then it also rotates the site as well and changes the bearings. So that's my workaround. It's probably not the proper way to do it. And if somebody wants to make a comment and share how they do it, or share a tutorial video about how somebody else does that, handles this differently and probably better, I'm happy to learn. Just as I'm learning how do I work on my project, I share the problems that I have and then the solutions on how to get around that. But I'm always happy to learn. There's plenty of videos out there that discuss Revit, and I appreciate all of them. I'm often going to other ones, and so the point is that it's a very robust program, and I certainly don't claim to be knowledgeable on but just a small sliver of the functionality of this program. And so anyway, I hope that helps somebody.